Did you know that 70% of lottery winners end up broke within just 7 years? This is not about bad luck or poor judgment. It's about an invisible trap that most people fall into. Imagine if you had to suddenly pay for 10 new cars every year without earning a cent more. That's what winning the lottery feels like, financially. Most winners don't have experience handling large sums of money, and financial advisors often come with strings attached. Debt can quickly snowball once you stop working. Without a steady income source, expenses pile up fast. Many assume they'll invest smartly or pay off debts, but without a clear plan, the money often evaporates quickly. To avoid this fate, winners must change their mindset and build financial literacy, rather than just splashing out on luxury. This isn't just a cautionary tale for winners. It's a reminder that financial savvy is key, no matter your income. Remember, this video offers general education, not personalized advice. Consult professionals before making major financial decisions. Subscribe and learn how to navigate the money maze, because understanding the system can change your life.